Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create blend playlists on Spotify. What that basically means is that you create like a playlist with your friends according to the songs that you already have on your playlist, and it's going to mesh those playlists together and create one single playlist. I think you can do it up to like 10 friends, I think. I'm not sure like with how many people you can do this with. Select search and then type in the word blend and then select the blend genre here, and then you're just going to select create a blend and you're going to select invite friends to blend. See, you can invite up to 10 friends to blend and share a playlist. That gives you a social recommendation. Gives you social recommendations based on all of your music taste. Then you're just going to invite, and you're just going to invite your friends from there. That's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!